Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Round Robin. Today we have a great job opportunity from 3 different company and the all job roles for software developer. In this video I will discuss all 3 jobs and all the eligibility criteria and selection process. Please watch this video till the end. Coming to the first job are in Yugabyte DB database. So Yugabyte database is a software private limited company and the last date for this drive is last date to apply this drive is 13th of March and the drive date is for 31st of March and drive is online. So all the process of selection process will conducted on online. So this job is for 0 to 3 years of experience. So those who are fresher are also apply for this job and those who have experience are also apply. So from 17th, 18th, 19th, 20, 21 batch. So all these batches are eligible. So those who have experience of 2 to 3 years who can get package of 47 lakh CTC annually. So yeah, so those who have experience who will get that much money. So this is a very good opportunity for those who are in good software development, those who are in good coding, so who can get a 47 lakh package. So those who are actually fresher who can also get 10 to 12 lakh of package. So Yogabyte is mainly a free and open source database management system company that handles the data, and Yogabyte is also handle the data of Facebook. So you have an idea how much this company is good and big. So they for current they are looking for 2 roles. So they are currently hiring for 2 roles. So first one is backend software engineer cloud infrastructure and the second one is for full stack developer. So in talking to the first job backend software engineer, so in this they are mainly hire students those who are possess these skills: design, development, test, debug and maintain component of a feature is management. And they have a programming language knowledge of Python and Java. So they are mention the programming language, they are only hire a person who have knowledge of Python and Java. So you have to good knowledge in coding, then you can apply for this job because the package will be very good. And for pass out students, sorry, for those who have experience, those who will get package of 47 lakh up to 47 lakh. So so if you are good in Python and Java, then you can apply for this job. And the requirements are, so if you have bachelor or master degree in computer science or related field, then you can apply for this job. And you have to must knowledge of software design, implementation skill, frameworks and working language Java, Python they will mention. So if you have also these skills, that is not mandatory, but this is desirable. So if you have these skills, then it would be beneficial for him. So the second role is for software engineer, full stack developer. So in this you have to they mention programming language JavaScript and Java. So if you have knowledge of JavaScript and Java, you have to you are good in coding in this programming language JavaScript, and you can apply for this role, software engineer full stack. And you have to the same requirement, bachelor degree or master degree in computer science or similar technical field of study. And you have software development experience, then you can get more CTC. If you are fresher, then you can get of 10 to 8 to 10 lakh of CTC. And yeah, so if you have, apart from Java, you have knowledge in REST API design, then it would be beneficial for him. And yeah, so they clearly mention for folks with more than 1 year of experience can expect higher CTC. So if you are 0 to 1 year experience, then it would be say will mention 24 lakh per annum, but for those who are fresher who can get minimum of 8 to 10 lakh. So their drive date is 31st of March and the last date of apply 30th of March. So you can apply as soon as possible before 13th of March. So the exam is conducted on Litmus platform for this job, and you don't have to pay the Litmus fee for this job. This exam is conducted free on Litmus platform, and the apply link I will give you in description, and I will also give you the referral number that would be help you in for selection process as well in job. So apply as soon as possible, and also share this video to with your friend who are in looking for a software development job and for good package. So this is very good for all who are good in coding, because this job is very big, very good, and this company is very big. So the job location are for Bangalore and Pune. So yeah, thank you. Coming to the next job in Siemens. So Siemens is a very good company from the 170 years of legacy they mentioned. So they are looking for software developer, and the job location at Bangalore. And the expectation from the company from you is analyze software requirements, design software solution, and you must have the knowledge of coding. So if you are good in coding, then you can apply for this job also, because Siemens is very good company and they are hired for software developer, and the job location are for Bangalore. So if you are okay in coding, then you can apply for this job. And also they mention some desirable experience. So if you have C sharp of knowledge of C sharp, then it is beneficial for him. So if you understanding about C sharp, Azure technology and services, then it is good. So they are also mentioned for 0 to 2 years of experience. So if you are a fresher, they welcome you, but if you have experience of 2 years, then you can get more package. So if you have 2 years of experience, then you will get some 10 to 12 lakh. If you are fresher, then you can get 4 to 6 lakh. So this is very good company, and the job is for full time, not they are hired for some particular contract based type. So this is very good. So if you are looking for a career in software developer, and if you are in good in coding, then you can apply as soon as possible. So they are not mentioned the last date for this apply this drive, so you can apply as soon as possible. I will give you the link for apply in the description, so you can apply. And also share this video with your friends, those who are looking for a job in software developer and in Bangalore. So job location is Bangalore, and also those who have knowledge of C sharp. So if you have a knowledge of C sharp, then the chances of your getting job is very high. So because they mention not it is mandatory, so those who have not knowledge of C sharp, who can also eligible and apply for this job, but they mention only you have of coding knowledge. So any of language you can code, but if you have C sharp knowledge, then it is desirable for him. So apply as soon as possible. Thank you. Coming to the third job. So third job in Verifone company. So they are also looking for a software engineer, and this job is also for Bangalore. So Verifone is the 30 years of company, established from 30 years. So this is a very good company, and they are looking for development of software system, and the experiences they are looking for in Java, SQL, HTML, jQuery, and CSS language. And if you have the knowledge of Spring framework, Angular, Bootstrap, that it would be beneficial. But you have most knowledge of Java, SQL, and HTML, jQuery, and CSS language. So the further is a degree in computer science. So if you have a degree in computer science, then you can apply for this job, and the job location is for Bangalore, and they are not mention any last date, so you can apply as soon as possible. And they can also not mention any packages. So if you have a fresher, then you can get 4 to 6 lakh, and if you have experience, then you can get higher package. So for the batches, they are welcome 18, 19, 20, 21. So if you have a final year student who can also apply, so fresher are eligible for this job. So apply as soon as possible, and share this video with your friend, those who are looking for a job. And all three jobs are very good, and all three jobs are for software development. Those who are good in coding, so apply all three jobs, you will get one job surely. So the package are very good for all in three jobs. So apply as soon as possible. Share this video with your friends. Thank you. All the best.